Hello Scratchers, welcome back, and this is Raphael. Today we're starting a game jam for everyone, and yeah, so we're going to get on to some information, but welcome to this video, because today, once more, a quick reminder, I might sound a bit muffled. Alright, let's get on to the information. Alright, well, let's get on. So first, our theme will be Halloween. It is horror and creepy, something like that. Your deadline, you have to upload the game to the Scratch Studio by then. It is the 3rd of October 2024. Wish is in around 2 weeks and a couple of days. Reminders and notes, you can make it on mobile or on a PC. Must be in studio by deadline. Can be 3D, but 2D is recommended because, you know, time isn't that big. More notes if there is a couple, so that's your main notes. If you have any more notes, make sure to put them in the comments. The Scratch Studio link will be in the comments, pinned comments, and it will also be in the description, so you can put your game on there. Yeah, that's basically all I have to tell you. It's going to be a fun game jam with lots of people. It's open to everyone, so anyone can join the game jam if they want to. It's going to be really fun. Make sure you participate. Quick prizes, you will... So for prizes, I'll mention this more in my community tab, but for prizes, you can get, if you come in the top 3, because we'll do a ranking video after the game jam finishes, but the prizes will be a special mention on my channel, and 1 month of free Scratch games only created by me if you're in that top 3. And yeah, the game and you can, once I get the studio out and this video out, you can start making your games. Alright. Let's go!